Filter with multiple conditions on a single related object. Edit. This question is a result of misunderstanding of the observed results. The snippet that was originally posted and not working solves the problem. I'm leaving it all below for anyone in the future who gets confused in the same way. I have two models, answer and answer_set. I need to write a function that takes answer_set query set and adds a filter. The filter I want to apply is answer_set as an answer with specific code and value. At first I tried something like but of course that doesn't work. These are two separate answers. Two joins in SQL, i.e. the filter condition is true if there is some answer with the right code and another one with the right value. I want to check if there is a single answer that satisfies both conditions. Edit, and this code actually does exactly what I want. In SQL that would be very easy. But I consider raw SQL last resort. Can it be done in djangoorm? Edit, yes, it does. See the snippet above.
Edit, what you are saying is not correct. The filter function automatically ends its parameters. See the documentation on filter.
You can use queue objects to handle more complex queries. See Django docs about queue objects.
If you want to review it, please consider some steps.